Huyền ơi, Huyền ơi, Đứa ơi, Đứa ơi. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Nói đi, nói đi. Da 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 da. Cha 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 cha. Đi đâu đấy, đi đâu đấy?
Bridezilla, season premiere tomorrow at 9 on WeTV's Wedding Sunday. Channel 128.
Ai
And is 100% pain free. And because Smooth Away exfoliates as you use it, your skin will feel incredibly smooth and soft. Just seconds to touch. Oh, and Smooth Away works great for guys too. Finally, there's a real answer to easy, safe,
Ai đấy?
so inexpensive.
Ai đấy?
Because now anyone can enjoy.
Sinh ơi, Sinh ơi. Sinh ơi. Ồ, cho favorite đấy. Cho favorite đấy. À. Cái gì đấy? Bộ có gì đấy? Bộ có gì đấy?
Non không? Non à?
Bộ có gì đấy? Ngon quá. Nhầm 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 nhầm. Nhầm 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 nhầm. Ngon. Bộ ơi ngon. Hết lạnh rồi.
This sander simulates years of wear and tear damage, but the Orange Glow hardwood for cleaner and polish cleans and protects your I'm living with ulcerative colitis. My career in hockey was a dream come true until I got hit by a ulcerative colitis.
Cái gì đây? Bộ có gì đấy?
Almost ended my career and my dreams. I learned more living with UC.com.
Bộ có gì đấy?
I was able to make the right treatment decisions with my doctor. You can learn more too by going to livingwithuc.com and taking the control quiz. Now I'm pursuing my dream. See how you can live your dream too.
Juice đấy. Ăn đi con. Ngon quá.
Ngon rồi.
Ăn đi. Ăn đi. Mất rồi.
Which TV drama series does not revolve around a team of FBI agents?
Want to have daddy?
Criminal Minds, Without a Trace. Our remaining mob members, please answer now. Hey, Brian, what comes to your mind?
You know, I don't really watch any of the shows.
You feel like you need some...
You know what? Yeah. Well, might as well. It's your second time. This time, the way you ask the mob, you're going to randomly select two of these 49. One of them's going to have the correct answer, and one of them's going to have the incorrect answer. You can speak to both of them, and then try to figure out the answers, okay? Let's select the first person out of the mob.
Kiền ơi, Kiền ơi, Kiền ơi, Kiền ơi.
But, you know, I'm not totally sure on that, so I could be completely wrong, but you was my hunch.
Thank you very much. Thursday was pretty sure that it was criminal minds.
I need flash vào đấy.
Obviously, Brian Anderson was not without a trace. He's been excluded. It's either Monk